In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit published pages in Softr so you can update your live application with fresh content, new layouts, or design improvements whenever you need to. Softr is a powerful no-code platform that lets you build web apps and portals on top of your data, and knowing how to edit your published pages is one of the most essential skills for keeping your app polished and accurate over time. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Softr account. Head to the Softr website and enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the central hub where all of your projects live. From here, look to the left sidebar and click on Applications. This will display a list of every Softr app tied to your account, so if you manage multiple projects, they'll all appear here. Getting comfortable with this sidebar is worth your time. It's where you'll always begin any editing session. Now locate the specific application you want to edit and click to open it. Softr will load that app into its editor, which is the visual workspace where all of your building and editing happens. The editor gives you a live canvas view of your pages alongside a structured panel for managing blocks, settings, and data sources. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this environment if you haven't already. Understanding the layout of the editor makes every future edit faster and less frustrating. On the left, you typically see your page navigator. On the right, the properties panel for whatever element you've selected. With the app open in the editor, navigate to the specific page you want to update. If your application has multiple pages, you'll see them listed in the left panel. Simply click the page you need and the editor canvas will switch to display it. This is where the real work begins. You can now make any changes the page requires, editing text directly on the canvas, swapping out images, adjusting the layout of existing blocks, adding entirely new blocks from Softr's block library, removing sections that are no longer relevant, or diving into the page settings to tweak SEO metadata, visibility rules, or access permissions. One common beginner pitfall here is accidentally editing the wrong page, so always double check the page name at the top of the editor before you start making changes. As you work through your edits, keep a close eye on how the changes look in the editor canvas. Most adjustments will render in near real time, so you can immediately see whether a new headline reads well or whether a repositioned image sits where you intended. Once you feel the page is taking shape, use Softr's preview feature to see a more accurate representation of how the page will appear to your actual users. The preview mode removes the editor interface and shows the page as a visitor would experience it. This is the moment to catch any awkward spacing, text that runs too long, or images that aren't quite the right size. It's always better to spot these issues before publishing, rather than after your audience is already looking at the live version. When you're happy with everything you see in preview, it's time to save or publish your changes. Depending on your Softr plan and your app's current state, the button you need may say Save, Publish, or Update. Look for it in the top right area of the editor. Clicking this pushes your edits from the draft state out to the live version of your application. This is the step that makes your changes real and visible to anyone who visits your app's URL, so it's worth pausing briefly to confirm you've reviewed everything before you click. If you're working on a significant redesign or a large batch of changes, consider doing it during off-peak hours when fewer users are likely to be on the app. Once you've published, your job isn't quite finished. Open a browser tab and navigate to your live page directly, not through the editor, but as a real visitor would. Check that all of your text changes display correctly, that images load properly, and that the overall layout matches what you saw in preview. This step catches edge cases that the editor environment sometimes masks, such as how the page renders on different screen sizes, or how quickly certain media loads. While you're there, test any interactive elements on the page, forms, buttons, embedded links, and navigation menus to confirm they still function exactly as expected. A text edit that accidentally broke a nearby link is a classic oversight, and a quick manual test takes only seconds. Finally, make a habit of returning to your pages regularly to keep your application current. Outdated content erodes trust with your users, and a Softr app that's actively maintained feels professional and reliable. Whether that means refreshing copy every few weeks, updating images to reflect new branding, or adding new feature blocks as your product evolves, the editing workflow you've just learned scales to all of it. Each time you come back, the process is the same. Open the app, navigate to the page, make your changes, preview, publish, and verify. You've now learned exactly how to edit published pages in Softr from start to finish. You know how to navigate the editor, make meaningful changes across text, images, and layout. Use the preview feature to review your work before it goes live. Publish with confidence and verify the result on your actual application. That workflow keeps your app accurate, engaging, and always putting its best foot forward. Save this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need a quick reminder. And I'll see you in the next one.